Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katy, aka Tattooed Mama. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a new subscription box. Yes, I'm standing up. This is a weird spot. The lighting is off, but this is how we're going to work today because Hunter Bug is all over the place, and if I sit down, then he wants to get in my drawers and stuff. So anyway, I wanted to just get this video up. My hair is looking crazy. Just went to the gym. I need a shower. But yeah, I just wanted to unbox this with you guys. I know a lot of y'all have actually already seen the unboxing for the Medusa box, the July box. But if you're on my channel and haven't seen it, then I hope you watch this and you can see what I see opening it. So first off, the box is super cute. You want to be in my video? Hunter wants to be in my video, so what I'm going to do is just go ahead and I'll show you the box. I love it. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and then I will just reach in it and kind of show y'all what is in here. So I'm going to grab him. There we go. You say hi? Say hi? Okay, so this is the heat is on, and if you guys did not know, Medusa is a cruelty-free and vegan makeup subscription box, and they, what was I trying to say? They work with like indie brands, which is absolutely awesome. So I'm very excited to try them out because I haven't really tried any indie stuff, and I love supporting indie, like other personal businesses, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, this is supposed to be a $44 value. This month's box every month is $16.95, I'm pretty sure. And next month is the epic birthday box, and it has lots of extras, so I'm so excited because it's kind of the reason why I signed up. So getting that, and then right here it says save the date, and then it's the birthday box coming this August. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. So first is this right here, and this is the Medusa Makeup Middle AF Metallic Stay-On Lip Gloss, and this is cruelty free. This is in Fade to Black. Oh, this looks so pretty. I'll give you guys an up close. This is like a silver kind of look. Hunter's gonna. Isn't that awesome? Wow, that is so cool, isn't it? Okay, so here is what the lip gloss looks like on the lips. I think this is gorgeous, and the fact that it's seeming to stay put like it is, like it's not transferring at all really on my finger. So I kind of want to do a wear test on this to see how it stays, but that color is so much fun. Well, he's excited about that. So next up is the Medusa Witch Lash Cruelty-Free Mascara, and this is an electric blue. Oh my gosh, I'm excited about this one. So the packaging is adorable. Hold on, I want to open this up. Oh, that's like a really pretty blue. I don't have a mascara in that color, so I'll for sure be using this. I'll probably use this in a get ready with me with brand new makeup. So he wants to show you guys that lip gloss. Next up, I see this right here, and it is a the Moonlight highlighter, and there's 3 grams in here. This looks like it's going to be gorgeous. So here's what that highlight looks like. Do not mind my face makeup. I'm about to wipe it off. Like I said, I just went to the gym, but I wanted to show you guys what that highlight looks like. So it definitely has like a yellowy gold look to it. This would be really pretty for like an inner corner highlight as well. Yeah. And then last but not least is this Glam Rock eyeshadow, which looks so cute. And I love little packages like this. Oh my gosh. This is pretty. Can you touch it? Ooh, pretty. This is what the eyeshadow looks like. So it's not, when you put it on, let me show you guys. It's kind of like that. It's a very subtle, shimmery pink. I feel like this would be really pretty as a highlight as well. Pretty. This is in Hot Love. But yeah, that is all that's in this box. I'm actually really excited about it. For $16, I think it's awesome to be able to try out different products like this. And I'm excited for next month. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure you hit that thumbs up button and hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming ones. Subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next one. If you have any other subscription box you think that I should try out, comment them down below because I would love to try out some new ones. See you guys later.